What is the kill time of hydrogen peroxide on mold spores?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a common substance used for cleaning and disinfection, hydrogen peroxide. Specifically, we'll be looking at its effects on mold spores and how long it takes to kill them. Let's dive in.
What is hydrogen peroxide?
Hydrogen peroxide is a chemical compound that consists of 2 hydrogen atoms and 2 oxygen atoms. It's an effective disinfectant and bleaching agent. When it comes into contact with microorganisms, it breaks down and releases free radicals, which can cause damage to these organisms.
How does hydrogen peroxide affect mold spores?
Mold spores are essentially the seeds of mold. They're hardy and can survive in harsh conditions for a long time. However, when exposed to hydrogen peroxide, the mold spores can be killed. Hydrogen peroxide causes damage to the cell walls of mold spores, thus killing them.
What is the kill time of hydrogen peroxide on mold spores?
The kill time of hydrogen peroxide on mold spores depends on the concentration of the hydrogen peroxide solution used, as well as the amount of time the spores are exposed to it. Generally, it takes about 10 minutes of exposure to a 3% hydrogen peroxide solution for most mold spores to be killed. However, it's important to remember that some spores may be more resistant than others, and a higher concentration of hydrogen peroxide or a longer exposure time might be required to kill them. Always make sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions when using hydrogen peroxide for disinfection. In conclusion, hydrogen peroxide can be a very effective way to kill mold spores, with an approximate kill time of 10 minutes for a 3% solution. Remember, this kill time can vary based on concentration and exposure time. We hope this video has been helpful and informative. Stay safe and keep your environments clean.